Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, welcome back and thanks for staying up late with us tonight. Here's a look at the weather. It's worth it, I'll tell you. Clear skies, light winds, and very nice here today. Continuing into the evening hours, temperatures dropping into the 60s right now, and exceptionally nice due to high pressure moving in and creating those light winds. So not much of a pressure gradient, so not much in the wind department, and that leads to gorgeous weather here overnight, as it looks like this in our short-term forecast as we drop to the upper 60s by midnight, mid-60s by 4 a.m. But look at the winds, 5 miles an hour or less, and out of the southwest we'll see sunshine starting out at daybreak, and temperatures take off from there and rocket into the 90s. But prior to that, we'll see lows like this: 61 degrees in George West and here, 68 in Port Aransas, clear skies and overall cool and comfortable, as you can see on our day planner for tomorrow. 61 at 7, 81 at noon, and 91. Very warm to hot here tomorrow afternoon. The only thing is the humidity is down, so it's going to be a pretty comfortable 91 degrees, but still going to want to use the air conditioning, I think, by tomorrow afternoon, where we'll have an afternoon high of 92, reaching as high as 95 in Freer, 82 though over in Port Aransas, 92 at the Naval Air Station. Again, a function of the light winds. What's causing all this? Well, we've got very dry air over the region from yesterday morning storm system that's working off to the east now. Again, the moisture right side of it is into the southeastern U.S. We're on the back dry side of this, indicated by the brown or dry air in the region, but there's another monster storm system that's coming off the west coast. That one's going to ride over the Rockies and stay well north of us. Take a look at the future tracker on this. Again, you can see it dropping in over the Rockies and then moving into the Plain States. And believe it or not, even though it's April, there's going to be a blizzard going on across South Dakota, western Nebraska, parts of Wyoming and Colorado. A blizzard. That means heavy snow and wind, and that kicks out, but it's going to keep it windy here. The trailing front comes through on Thursday, and that's going to be a dry front for us. A new area of low pressure drops into the southwest, draws moisture back in from the Gulf quickly, and that'll create another frontal system here by late Saturday, and it'll also produce some showers in the region. Here's a look at the wind forecast. It looks very enticing tomorrow, switching to the south-southeast in the afternoon, but only 6 to 12 miles an hour. But we reverse that in a huge way. A lot of wind, and 20 to 30 with gusts of 40 here on Wednesday. By the time we get to Thursday, behind this frontal system that comes through dry, 15 to 25. So the winds come down Thursday and Friday. Very light winds, but out of the east, and that will cloud us up and eventually lead to some rain here late Friday night and into Saturday, but not a lot. All right, your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast: 61 tonight, 92 tomorrow. The record's 98, 66 and 89 for Wednesday. And then the temperatures continue on the warm side, 66 and 89 for Thursday. And by the time we get to Friday, the temperatures start to cool off and back off, with readings only in the 80s as we lose the 90s. And by the time that next front goes through Saturday, we see readings dropping into the 50s here by Sunday morning. That's going to feel nice. Tonight's going to feel nice. And if you like dry heat, tomorrow's your day. 92.
92.